Grafite. I've had Grafite before and it's one of my favorite, I think, contact colors that they have. So this is how Grafite looks in comparison to my natural eye color. It's like I would say it's like a bluish gray color. I actually like it. It's one of my favorite colors, as I mentioned. This is how both contacts look on. I'm gonna tell you guys that I like all the colors because literally I love all the colors. It's just like I like changing up the look, so it looks really good like this. And also I know you guys are gonna ask these contacts. So I usually before I got like Solotica, I would get the fresh trends or whatever they're called, like in high school or whatever. These are thicker than like regular prescription clear contacts, but at the same time they're not uncomfortable. Like at the most I've probably worn them for about 10 to 12 hours a day, and I haven't found any issues with them.
So guys, as you see, I have in Cyan blue. They're super comfortable because they're one-day lenses, so the fabric, the texture, the whatever it's called, I'm really scatterbrained. It's gonna be really thin, okay? The first thing I noticed is that they try to make these lenses with a lot of dimensions that can come off two ways. I prefer something a little bit more scrubbed down where the texture is not so noticeable, because I feel like the more texture and dimension you make in a contact lens, the more you can see the print and the texture of it. I feel like from a distance these look so hot. I think they're beautiful. I think they are absolutely Jennifer Aniston, Megan Fox on fleek. I feel like
these are the Anesthesia Addict blue. These are probably the most natural blue, baby blue color that I've ever seen in a contact lens. These are so pretty. The comfortability is amazing. Anesthesia contact lenses are so good with comfortability. So if you're looking for something that's going to be comfortable, then definitely go with Anesthesia brand. They are one of the most comfortable ones out there. So these do last 6 months, so that's a decent amount of time to be wearing these lenses.
Now I'm gonna try the color Topazio. So Topazio is more to the blue side. As you can see, this is so beautiful and really bomb in your face. What do you think?
Oh, hey there. Damn, they so easy to put in. So I know I said that the Crystal, I'm gonna wear those for Halloween. These are, wow, I actually like them. These lenses are hella dramatic, but I really like them. These are my Halloween lenses. This is, what color? Oh gosh. We got quartzo up in this bitch. Wow, very striking. Very, yes.
Here is the Cyan blue Aquarella contacts. I am obsessed. This is the most perfect shade of blue I've ever seen. They look so natural. I'm so excited about these to show you guys. I'm living for these right now. Sometimes blue contacts can just look fake and a little weird, but these, I swear, they look so natural. Even in person, like you can't even tell that they're contacts.